Hello, everyone. My friends, my name is Sophia. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I have a very simple question for you. How are you? Many people ask this question every day, and many people answer the same way every day. They say, I am fine, thank you. And you? Please do not say that like a robot. You are not a robot. You are a human with real feelings. Today, I will tell you how to talk about your real feelings in English. I will speak slowly and clearly. This lesson is perfect for beginners and A2 learners. Are you ready? Let's start. Yesterday was a hard day for me. It was not a big drama day, but it was heavy. The weather was rainy. The sky was gray. The sound of the rain was soft but long. I looked outside my window. I held a warm cup of tea. My hands felt warm, but my heart felt tired. Yesterday, I had a lot of work. I worked at my desk for many hours. My computer screen was bright. My eyes felt dry. My head felt heavy. My body felt slow. I did not feel happy. I did not feel strong. I just felt tired. In the afternoon, my phone rang. It was my friend Anna. She is a kind person. She speaks softly. She cares about people. She said, "Hi, Sophia, how are you?" I wanted to say, "I am fine, thank you." But I stopped. I took a small breath. I asked myself a question. Am I really fine? The answer was no. I was not fine. I felt tired. I felt heavy. I felt stuck. So I told her the truth. But before that, let me help you learn some new words. These words are simple, but they are powerful. First word, tired. You can say, I am tired today. This is very normal. Many people feel tired. Work makes people tired. Life makes people tired. This sentence is short and honest. Now, sometimes tired is not enough. Sometimes your energy is very low. Your body feels empty. Your mind feels slow. Look at this word, exhausted. Exhausted means your energy is zero. Think about your phone. When the battery is red, when the phone shows 0%, the phone cannot work. Your body is the same. When you are exhausted, you need rest. You can say, I am exhausted today. This sentence is honest and clear. It helps people understand you. Now, the next word is very important. Look at this word, stuck. Sometimes you work hard, but nothing moves. You think a lot, but you find no answer. You want to go forward, but you cannot move. This feeling is called stuck. Yesterday, I felt stuck with my work. My ideas did not move. My hands were on the keyboard, but my mind felt slow. Think about a car in the mud. The wheels turn, but the car stays in one place. That is stuck. You can say, I feel stuck. This sentence is short, but it is very real. Many people feel this way. It is normal. It is human. Now, another word, heavy. Heavy is not only for bags or boxes. Heavy is also for feelings. When your heart feels full of stress, When your mind feels full of worry, you can say, "My heart feels heavy today." Or you can say, "I feel heavy today." This word helps you talk about emotional weight. It is gentle. It is honest. Now let us go back to my story with Anna. She asked me, "How are you?" And this time, I did not lie. I said, "Honestly, I feel a little exhausted. I feel stuck with my work." I did not speak fast. I did not speak long. I spoke slowly. I spoke clearly, and something beautiful happened. Anna did not get angry. She did not feel uncomfortable. She did not stop listening. She listened quietly. She said, "I understand. That sounds hard. Please take care of yourself." Her words were simple, but they were warm. When she listened to me, I felt something change inside me. My chest felt lighter. My breathing felt easier. Look at this word, relieved. Relieved means you feel light after stress. It is like you carry a heavy bag, and then you put it down. Your shoulders relax. Your body feels free. When you speak the truth, you feel relieved. You do not need to be strong all the time. You do not need to smile all the time. It is okay not to be okay. This sentence is very important.